Hello everyone. In our today's problem, we have to find the minimum area to cover all ones, which is 3195 number problem in LeetCode and a medium level problem. So you'll be given a two-D binary array grid and it will be 0 and 1s. So as it is binaries, obviously there will be 0 and 1s. All you have to find minimum areas that covers all ones. Okay. So, for example, my matrix array is like 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, and all zeros. Okay, so what is the minimum area? Find the minimum area that cover all ones. Okay, so what is the minimum area here that cover all ones? So if you have a look, we have one here, one here, one here, one here. So this is the minimum area that cover all ones. So if we count the area, what will be the area? Area will be, here it is 2 and 3. So 2 into 3, which will be 6. So all we have to find the area. That's it. Now how we can find it is pretty much simple. So all we have to do, we have to track four things. One will be top, then bottom, then left, and then right. Okay, so we'll go for the brute force approach. Like we'll run one loop, two loops. One is row wise, another one is column wise, and like for each index, so I will have a look. Like, is this one is one? If it is one, then we will say change the values of top, bottom, left, right. Okay, for the top, we'll see. Okay, if I came here, I'll see. The initial value of top will select one maximum number, and I will see is the value of top is minimum. Like, so there will be I will be 0, right? So I will change it at a 0. Top will be 0, right will be 1, bottom will be 3, 2, and left will be again 1. So here top will be 0, top will be 0, right, left will be 1, bottom will be 0, 1, 2, and right will be 1. Okay, because 0, 1, 2, so right will be 2. Sorry, right will be 2. And then at the end we have to find the area. So area will be, so how you can like find the area? That's an interesting case. So to find the area, all we have to do, you go to your top, right, 0, and you go to your bottom 2. So all you have to do, bottom minus top plus 1, you get the uh, vertical area, which will be bottom will be 2, top 0. So bottom minus 2, 2 minus 0 will be 2 plus 1, which will be 3 into right minus left. So right minus left plus 1. So which will be, oh my bad, okay. 3 into right. What is right? Right is 2, left is 1. So 2 minus 1 will be 1 plus 1, which will be 2. Means we got horizontal and vertical area, and 3 into 2 will be 6. That's it. If there was 1, 1, then the area should be like this, right? In that case, the will be 3, right will be 3, and then here 3 minus 1 will be 2 plus 1, which is 3, then the area will be 9. I hope you got it. So if you have a look, 3 into 3 matrices, and the area is 9. So that's pretty much simple, guys. Just if we write code here, all I have to do, I'll just take left, I'll set left left will be the left of arrow, and I have to take always the minimum. So the initial value will be maximum and to max. Okay, left and top will be max. Because each and every time I have to compare the value, is it the minimum? So that's why I'm initializing this value as a maximum value, and each time I can compare with this. And the right is -1, left, right, top, bottom, bottom. That's it. And I'll run loop for when ti equals 0, less than I plus plus, prime is z equal to 0, j is j plus plus. That's it. And I'll say if grade of I j is equal to 1, then come here. Then my left value will be minimum of left, or so the left we are counting. The left will be this side. So this side to this side will depends on our z value, right? So z right will be maximum of right or z. That's it. So left and right will depends on z, and top and bottom will depends on I. So top will be again minimum of top or I, and bottom will be the maximum bottom or I. So I hope you got this area. Like for the left, like what we have to initialize on the left value, the leftmost value on the leftmost value always should be the minimum one, right? And same as the topmost always should be the minimum one. That's it. And the rightmost, sorry, here the rightmost value and bottom value always should be the maximum one. That's it. And then we got our left, right, top, bottom value. So I can say return, or here I can say and area equal to bottom minus top plus one into bottom and top I got, and right will be the bigger, right minus left plus one. That's it, and at the end I'll return the area. If I run my code, uh, I'm making spelling mistakes, and if I submit my code, accepted, guys. Thank you so much.